Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through the hiring process of Boeing. So Boeing is going to conduct an off-campus drive. Any student who is a fresher or has an experience of 0 to 4 years can apply in this process. So let's see how it will be conducted. Now Boeing is basically looking to hire the entry-level associate software engineers for its Bangalore office. And as I already mentioned, the freshers or the experienced candidates between 0 to 4 years of experience are eligible to apply for this position. Boeing is an American multinational company that designs, manufactures airplanes, rockets, satellites, telecommunications, and missiles worldwide. The company also provides leasing and product support services. Talking about this recruitment drive, which is the Recruitment Drive 2021, the job title would be Associate Software Engineer. Location of the job is Bangalore. Salary would be the best in the industry. Experience, I have already mentioned, 0 to 4 years, and any student who is having BE, B.Tech, ME, Mtech, MCA, or related degree may apply. Position responsibilities are you need to collaborate with other developers and engineers to design and build the applications. You have to build the applications for various platforms using common frameworks. You should be able to do or write and debug the codes. Troubleshoot of software issues is to be done. You need to provide the on-call support if and as required. You need to have good communication skills and you need to be a champion. All right. Moving forward, basic qualifications that the company is looking for. So you need to have a software background. You need to have the knowledge of cloud environment, which is preferred. Troubleshooting, problem solving, written and oral communication skills is also required. Key skills should be C++, JavaScript, HTML, JSON, storage, etc. is required. Preferred qualification. So if you have the bachelor's degree or higher, and preferably from aerospace or aviation industry, you will be having an edge over others, but this is not a mandatory thing. This is the bit.ly of the link to our website. You can directly click on this link and you can apply through our website. So guys, hurry up and apply today. Thank you.